So we're in Julia's house today. We've been challenged to find an item of £2.50.
£2?
Oh yeah, sorry, beg your pardon, £2. We've been challenged to find an item for £2 to do our craft projects on.
Each?
And yeah, each, not between us. So we did think the obvious was books, just making them into displays. So that's kind of an idea we've got going on there.
This is like the craft section of
Plenty
Julia's
of craft
house.
goods
I have to
here.
say, Julia's house is one of the posher.
They've got some really nice wallpapers. I was quite taken with that. That would certainly fit into my house scheme quite well.
Yeah,
So,
it would. How much?
How much? That's the full £2.
Not going to make much then, is it?
She's off. But yeah, there's various things. I did think maybe doing something with the candles.
They're very thin.
But they're, decoupage, but they are rather thin. But, still doable.
But there's lots of beads and
There's
packets
napkins for
of card
decoupage.
kits. It's actually quite a cool shop for unlikely. Look at all those beads you can buy in packets. I think they get lots of
Somebody's
donations.
already packaged those up for you. There's wools,
There's
there's
wool.
threads. LPs, again, we thought people do stuff with LPs.
There must be, but we haven't Googled
But
it.
we haven't Googled it and we haven't got an idea at the moment. So,
That was an option.
it's a possibility.
There's some paper lunch bags. We could perhaps do something
You
with.
could do something pretty for like party bags, couldn't you?
Yeah.
If you were having a kid's party bag.
No,
do
it'd be
something
bad.
with
How
that.
much are they?
75p.
You might even
There's
be
10
able
of
to
them.
put a pack of beads in each for them.
What's their party treat? Or another thing was, we got a canvas here for £1.50. Paula does a lot of canvas work, so was again a possibility.
Okay,
Let's have a rummage.
let's move on.
I quite fancied this as an idea because it's very plain, it's very simple. It's either leather or leather look kind of bin. Always useful, always handy, and it's only £1.50. But there's a lot decor-wise you
Chalk
could do
paint
with that.
easily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You put chalk paint, decoupage, moulds, you name it. You can do a lot with that.
Okay.
Coming up, we've got these jars. They're light mason jars. They're not mason jars. They're can't even pronounce it. Liff or whatever. But they work
They're
like a
within budget.
mason jar. They are within budget. They're £1.25. There's two of those that we can have a go at. Painting and rubbing back perhaps, but again I know that people have done things with mason jars online that we
I've
haven't
made
googled,
cookie
but
jars before that I've sold on my pitch, like layers of sugar and then flour and then nuts and.
ooh, right, nice,
and it
already
comes
packaged
out
up.
in layers, and
Yeah.
then a recipe attached to the top.
Well, I have seen someone do that as a candle using coloured wax, and when you sort of tip it on its side, so it was kind of. And that again was pretty, but we'd have to find the wax and it might start getting a bit faffy.
Yeah.
But it's a possibility.
Okay. I've got to show you this tie display. It's just fabulous.
It is
Look at
rather
that.
fab.
It's all been pinned.
Yeah.
And it's just a skirt.
Someone who does
I
the
tell you
displays in here is doing a
Julia
really, really
House
good
does
job.
a really good job of display. It's quite a big shop. This is just up the road from where we live, and even
It's
the
fabulous.
second-hand shoes and bags. Look at that. The crate system is just
I know,
really
I love
pretty
this.
cool. Yeah,
I'd like a wall of this in my booth, and
Yeah.
then I can just. So we did think about playing around with some shoes, but the ones we saw were Converse. Actually, they're quite pretty. I like those. Not that I'm doing anything with those.
I think they're over budget, aren't they?
They probably are.
£4.50.
These are the ones that I was looking at. So, oh yeah, let's pimp up some Converse, but they are well out of budget at £10.95. So that's not to be today. Where else did we go?
Well, we looked at the books
We
because
did,
obviously
again,
we
looking
could
at
do a
those books
stack of books
CDs. I know there's something you can do with CDs and DVDs.
because they're quite cheap.
Okay, so we found in this cabinet a rather lovely jewellery box. Totally fit for purpose. You could just do a bit of paint and a bit of decoupage on that. But isn't that pretty?
It's really pretty.
Really pretty.
How much?
£1.50, well within budget. Whoop.
I
That's well
can't even
within
say is
budget.
it going in the basket because we haven't got a basket.
We haven't got a basket, but I've got a funny feeling it might be going in the basket. Let's continue looking before I make my mind up.
Okay.
So, they have got a super collection of walking sticks. Prices start from £1. Don't know if they're all the same. Yeah, they all seem to be about. There's a couple more expensive, but
I like
there's
that.
lots there.
I've done those before.
You could do something with that,
I
madam.
could make that cool.
Yes, you could.
I could. Tell you what, Amanda, that's going in my basket.
Is that going in your basket?
Yeah, I'll have two. Choose me
Two for £1?
2 for £1 each.
Do you allow me to choose?
I will. I trust you.
Do you know?
Well,
Right, got
on
two
camera
sturdy
I do.
ones.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I'm going to go
Thank
with
you.
the jewellery box. It's got to go in the basket.
Cool. I think we're there.
I think we're there. I think we've made our choice. Let's go and do them.